Summer vacations can be expensive, but traveling doesn't have to destroy your bank account. Here are simple ways to have an amazing summer vacation while spending much less. First, choose your destination wisely. The most popular tourist places are usually the most expensive. Instead of famous cities, look for smaller towns, hidden beaches, or nearby countries. Sometimes traveling only 1 hour away can cut your costs in half. Second, book smarter. Flights and hotels are often cheaper when you avoid peak dates. Travel in early June, September, or during weekdays instead of the busiest summer weeks. Use price comparison websites and check different airports nearby. A slightly longer drive can save you hundreds. Third, don't always choose hotels. Hotels are convenient, but they can be expensive. Apartments, hostels, camping, and vacation rentals can save a lot of money. If you travel with friends or family, sharing accommodation makes it even cheaper. Fourth, save money on food. Eating at tourist restaurants every day is one of the fastest ways to waste money. Try local markets, bakeries, supermarkets, and small local restaurants. You can eat amazing food for a fraction of the price. Fifth, plan free activities. The best memories are often free. Explore beaches, hiking trails, old towns, viewpoints, museums with free days, and local events. A cheap vacation doesn't mean a bad vacation. It means spending money on experiences instead of unnecessary costs. With smart planning, you can enjoy a summer trip without coming home broke. Where would you travel on a budget?